So usually customs in Canada take minimum 3 hours. It only took us 20 minutes. Now we have 3 hours at our gate. So we're doing emails, we're doing some work-related stuff, waiting for our flight to Vegas.
Have you seen the view we got?
It's not a good one.
No, they kind of gypped us on the view here.
Oh, some angle iron. I do remember that my last view was pretty similar to this. We're about to head to the FD announcement, which is at 2 p.m. We're gonna get some food. We landed like half an hour ago. And we're gonna start this adventure. Everywhere you go, there's a casino. Even in the airport, even at the gas station, doesn't matter. We're not gonna be gambling. We got a $40 cap, so.
Wait, what?
If you can't extend that, you're done. So yeah, let's get to it.
Then you can make fun
Hey
of
Ricky,
his
what's your
accent.
plan this week?
Make fun of Josiah all week long.
That's a good plan.
Just the way we talk.
You in for this?
A boot.
Yeah? Are you guys doing the drift carts with us tomorrow?
You didn't know about that?
No, I don't know about anything.
About what?
Down here,
You know what?
Don't know
I
about
pull
anything.
out my United States folder and I just start filling it.
You pulled it what?
I pull out my US folder in my head.
Yeah, I gotcha.
And then
Okay, so tomorrow.
everyone's got to put their own stuff. We just got out of the FD meeting. Lots of cool announcements there. No cap on the drivers, so they have like 90 drivers next year. Right now we got to get our badges. We're going to go and watch the drift demos. And then we're going to, after the drift demos, we need to eat some food. And then we're going to be seeing some contacts, seeing if we can hook up with some companies. This car is Zach Calvin's. He runs our front angle kit on this car. Runs it on all of his other cars too. So that's super cool. We're going to keep walking. You see the kid? Sweet. So you're gonna all-wheel drive drift.
Not today.
You don't have the front axle hooked up?
Everything's hooked up. I just have it in two-wheel drive.
Got it.
Because there's a lot of grip out there.
Does it get a lot of angle with the axles?
Yeah, it'll go like almost full up. Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah, it does like 60, 70 degrees. That's pretty.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you then.
You know what to do. Where do we go from here? Don't let it rule you.
What's this got?
Krista Papalopoulos. He's got FTF on it. He's been running it for a while, and he's been killing it out here on the pad. We'll see if we get some video of him. Recording?
Yeah.
We're here at day 2 of Sema. We just had a delicious breakfast and we're going to go into the performance sector of the show and start doing our spontaneous reaching out, interviews, whatever you want to call it, where we go up to the companies that we want to work with that we haven't set meetings up with and we ask for marketing manager or staff. We talk to them on opportunities if they are open to working with professional drivers, companies, things like that. And through that, you're going to get shut down a lot, but then out of 10 attempts, you probably are going to succeed a couple times. So we're going to go make some contacts. We have some meetings set up for later today with some guys that we do know already. So it puts you outside of your bubble, and it's hard to do, but it builds character. So that's what we're going to do.
I feel really short beside these guys.
Anywhere with you again, ever. Yeah, we're just chatting with Josh. He's run a bunch of our stuff for years on his Texas Academy drift cars. Went through the paces, running them for 6 hours a day. We found and learned a lot of things with his cars. So it's been a good relationship. We're gonna get him some more kits, and this is what Sema's about, putting faces to names. I've met him before, obviously, but you know, we get to interact and we get to hang out casually. So this is where the relationships are built, and you build a lot of trust with these guys too. So it's good.
When are you gonna build one?
We're gonna start next week. We've all seen this car on video. It's surreal to see it in person. It's really impressive.
What's your thoughts?
Let's go. It just got a whole lot better. Once I start seeing nice fabrication, the build changes. The colors, the paint, the wheels, I'm like, eh. But this I can appreciate. See this, Ethan?
What's he got?
He has somewhat of a custom version of all of our FRS front and rear suspension on this car. He needed it to get this perfect exact fitment that you guys see here. This is a full tube chassis FRS. I saw him do it in stages where he would cut the rear off and then make a jig, hold the subframe, locate all the points, and then weld tubes between, picking up on all the critical dimension areas. And when we sent him the suspension, he said he needed it to be adjustable so that he could get this fitment that you guys see. The front end's also tube, and then he cut out even like the tunnel and all the flooring and did a full tubular setup in the car as well. So it's like a full tube chassis FRS. LS swapped with a 8-into-1 collector that looks symmetrical. It's not equal length, but it's very appealing to the eye. So it'd be cool if we could meet him and talk to him. But I think he did really well in the young battle of the builders. So enjoy.
End of it?
You know what? I guess that's it. We had a really good ending here on Friday. Talked to quite a few more companies again, like just out of the blue. I'm like, hey, we should talk to these people. And it turns into like a net positive, really good result. We got stopped by quite a few people just to talk about, they recognize us or they have our products or they just think we're cool. So yeah, really good ending to the day. We're gonna go rest up,